All right, guys, this is a beautiful Tory Burch, right? I hope you guys can see it. There you go, right? I'm going to show you the inside of it. This is the outside. I turned it inside out so you guys can see. Be right back. All right, I'm back. You see how dirty and nasty it is? Look at that. That happens when you put every type of makeup and junk in your bag. This is the way it looks. Look at that. I hope you guys can see it, really. Let me zoom out so you can see it. All right, it's an authentic Tory Burch bag. I got it for $20. I cleaned all the leather inside. Now I'm going to be working on the outside, and I'll be back to show you the final results. All right, guys, this is the way it looks. Tell me that this doesn't look nice and clean and wonderful and everything. That's the bag. All that dirt, all that nastiness that I showed you. Now it's nice and clean. Be right back to show you the purse, how it looks from the outside. Now here's this beautiful bag. Now you can see it. Look at the glaze. Look at the shine. I made her look fabulous, and I only paid $20 for her. Pre-owned. She was needing that TLC, that spa treatment that I love to give and everything. And those are the services I provide too, if anyone needs their bags cleaned. But look how beautiful she is. I hope you have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you for watching my channel. And thank you for subscribing to my TikTok and my YouTube channel. Bye, everyone.